Well, my name is Ken Bruce and welcome to 3B Russell Street here in Magill. What a beautiful home I have to show today. Life's all about living it up in style and this home is no exception. Even as you walk in off the street here, you've got a lovely book-leaf front on the beginning of this home as you walk in. It really is quite stylish and will never ever date that sort of a feature. Nice big entrance, and the home itself has these two big spacious living areas. The living area that we're in now is a huge size. You've got enough space in this room to have a dining area and have this lovely big kitchen family area that sprawls out to that alfresco dining area just outside in the backyard. The home itself is 4 bedrooms, also a nice study area. All in all, what a beautiful place to entertain in. For further details on this home, please feel free to give me a call anytime or go to 3brussell.toop.com.au.